mint condition, 1995 Chevy Camaro Z28. Looks like it just came off the showroom floor. Look at this thing. T-top car. If you guys don't know what that is, these two come out. It's called the T-tops. Look at that. Back in the day, it was really famous. Look at the door panels. Everything is just really clean. It's only got 94,000 miles on it, guys. Wow. The only thing that's been replaced is the stereo. Looks like it's the original floor mats, seats, everything. Paint job. Look at the wheels. Custom wheels, American Racing. Fits the air of the car. Really nice. So he's got a GIBSON exhaust on it, but he does not like the tips. So I said, I'm gonna do you guys a before and after with that. See if the tips change the sound of the car. So it is a Camaro Z28. This is what it sounds like with these tips. Oh, it's got a nice throaty sound to it. I like it. It's got a GIBSON catback exhaust. Here's sound decibels. Right at 109. It's got a really nice pop to it. But he doesn't like these old school Chevy tips or flat tips. So we're gonna replace them with some quads that he ordered. He brought them. So let me show you what it looks like under. And one last time. One more. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after. Check it out, guys. 1995 Chevy Camaro Z28. All the way from Illinois. He went and picked it up, and I don't blame him. This sucker's clean. Look at that. Barely any rust, barely anything. Wow, it's got a 388 motor in it. It's a built motor. There's the cats on it right there. Then it winds into a single. And then it's a catback GIBSON 3-inch system all the way on top, over. There's the muffler. It's a transverse muffler, they call it. And what it does is it comes from up here, goes in here, then it transfers the air back through an exit right here on this side and through another exit on this side. It was very famous back in the day for all these old Camaros. Not a lot of people use these anymore. So, but there it is. So if you guys wonder, but there's the tips on it that he doesn't like, which I don't blame him. I don't like them either. These would look a lot better. But as you guys can see, look at the car. It's clean. Got a little rust here and there. He's gonna change those fuel lines, but no leaks, nothing. It's dry as a whistle. For a 95, that is amazing. Beautiful car. All right, guys, stay tuned. And let me know in the comments, do you like it with these tips or the new style tips? Personally, I like it with the quads. I don't like these flat tips. All right, guys, so this 95 Z28 mint condition Camaro Z28, bro. Z71. This don't look like a truck, bro. I did not say it. I said Z28. Did I say Z28? Yeah, in your face. In your face.
Hey, listen to the first half of that. I bet you hear he almost said 71.
All right, whatever you say. Anyways, here we go. Z28 Camaro. So it's got mid-length headers right there and right there. So some work has been done to it. Two catalytic converters. I think they're high flow. They look like high flow cats right there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got a 3-inch GIBSON exhaust that was hitting here. We tweaked it, cut it, and made it work where it doesn't hit no more there. Then 3-inch continues over the rear end, and it was hitting over here, and we tweaked it and cleared it, and now I can get my fingers in there. I like it on each side. And then it's got that GIBSON muffler with a transverse float right there. And then we finished it off nicely with two quad tips. It looks a lot better with the new quad tips. He likes them, I like them, and we hate these. They're ugly. We don't like those. Ain't that right, sir? We don't like those.
Out of here.
Out of here. You want me to kick them? Anyways, I'm famous for kicking old exhaust. He goes, go for it. Okay. I'm gonna kick him. There you go, I kicked him.
Like a tin can.
Sound like a damn tin can going down the road. Now it'll sound like a real Camaro. So, anyway, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Don't like always, like, comment. It's got updated brake system on it, drill and rotor slotted calipers too. Look at that, guys. Sucker's clean. Wow. So pretty. It looks so much better with the new tips. Here we go, guys. First start up with the new tips. Does sound different. I like that throatiness. Your sound decibels? 113. That's me. I like it. That's sound decibels. So it tells you how many decibels it reads. It's got some built, yeah, it's built. I hear that. It's got a 388 in it, guys. It does sound different with the new tips, by the way, guys. Gives it a little bit more throatiness. We'll do a side-by-side comparison for you guys. You tell us if tips changed the sound or not. I think they did. It's me. I like it. It's a clean, good-looking car, man. Got a nice idle to it, too. Yeah, it's very nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. So it's got a 388 stroker kit on it, guys. It's nicely done. It's clean. Look at that. Pretty smooth. There's the ceramic coated headers. There. And right there. Look, they're stuffed in there, guys. Wow. Look at that. That was fun to do. Those headers. Woo. Yeah. Look at that design on those things. Wow. Really nice. We appreciate you bringing it in, man. So it is a Camaro Z28. This is what it sounds like with these tips. Go ahead. Oh, it's got a nice throaty sound to it. I like it. Got a Gibson Catback exhaust. Your sound decibels? Right at 109. It's got a really nice pop to it. It does sound different. I like that throatiness. Your sound decibels? 113. That's me. I like it. That's sound decibels. So it tells you how many decibels it reads. It's got some built, yeah, it's built. I hear that. It's got a 388 in it, guys. I went to the Corvette Museum about 3 months ago with my son. They were telling us the stories about how they came up with the looks of these cars. They're all after sea animals, like stingrays and orcas and stuff like that. It's cool. Oh yeah. Gibson exhaust. Sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.